It is so pretty right now, you guys. A boat's going by right now, and it's making me question why I'm doing this, honestly. Like, not why I'm doing it, but why am I doing this today? Because it's... Oh, come here. Come here, Fatty. Oh, girl. Oh, sweetie. This is my baby girl. My baby girl. What do you see? I love you. She's my baby girl. This is my Hattie girl. Right, baby? I love her so much. She is such a baby. The biggest baby. She can't do anything alone. She loves her mama. She's spoiled rotten. And she's sassy. Aren't you, girls? I'm so sassy. Anyway, let's get to it. So, I am so excited today. It is beautiful and it is feeling like spring again. It's been spring, but it hasn't felt like spring. It has been windy and cold and rainy, and all I've wanted to do is just go crazy in the garden. I've wanted to work, plant, and I just haven't been able to. Also, I'm sitting in this little tropical garden that I made, or not tropical garden, but I made this tropical oasis space in one of our covered porches, and I just love it so much. I love this chair. I'm obsessed with this chair. But it's so cute. I'll show you around once I kind of tell you all about more what I'm doing. But so I'm going to tackle a garden bed that is an absolute mess. Hey, fishy. Oh, you're wet, son. Did you get in the creek? You're so nasty. These dogs love this house. We're right on the water. The water's right here. Bowie just jumped in the boat. They're so crazy. They're everywhere. Marlin's here too somewhere. But yeah, so I'm going to show you all this space. I was going to video creating this because it was so much fun. But my day the other day, it was just one of those days where I couldn't get in the headspace to even turn my phone on because I had an emergency with the dogs. And so maybe I'll make a video on it, but everyone's fine now, but we did have to rush to the vet. And I was so excited. I went to Lowe's, I went to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, I went to all these places and had a vision. And I was coming home and I was so excited to make this vision come to life. And then I come home to a serious emergency where I had to rush all 3 dogs to the vet. I didn't have to rush Fisher to the vet because he was in his kennel. Anyway, it's just like, I'm just so thankful they're okay, but it's just always something. I don't know. But so I'm gonna tackle this garden today. I'm so excited. Yesterday it rained and rained and rained and rained. I came out here anyway and I potted some of the plants out here on the porch, and I was just drenched. I was in a rain jacket and trying to pull plants and get pots and do all this stuff, and I was like, I'm gonna get it done, but it wasn't that much fun, but at least I got some things done. So I'll show y'all around this little space. I just love it so much, and then I'll show y'all the garden that we're gonna tackle today. I'm gonna let y'all watch me struggle. I'm gonna have to tackle these purple flowers that have just been so invasive to this yard. We didn't plant them. The woman who lived here before us planted them. The roots grew. I mean, they tugged onto that and just grew all the way through all the spaces, and then they've made it somehow in like all parts of the yard. And how I think it happened was I would temporarily plant like a flower or something in this flower bed, and the roots from the purple flower would grow into like near the roots of the other flowers. So when I would shovel that other flower up to put it somewhere else, it brought purple flowers with it. So it's just driving me crazy to try to get rid of them. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna work, and you can see the mess. and watch me struggle, watch me work, and it'll be fun. It's such a pretty day today, and the dogs are so happy. They're just outside roaming around. They've been jumping in and out of the boats, and Marlin's here, so it'll be a lot of fun, and it's just me, and I'm so relaxed, and I just love this time of year. I love it. I love when everything is blooming and coming back to life, and there's growth, and we get to be outside in the warm sun and get a tan. I'm not, well, I mean, I guess I maybe look tan, but I'm gonna be tanner. So I'm gonna show you all around this space, and then we will get started in the garden. Let's do it. Here it is. I love it so much. It's right by the water. It's right by the boats. The dogs are always right here. And it is such a beautiful day. I love it. So pretty. Hey, Bowie. That's my parents' dog, Bowie. He needs to lose some weight. There's my babies. But yeah, I love this space. I wish I would have filmed it for y'all and y'all could have watched me just do it all, put it all together. I went to school for interior design and fashion merchandising, and then also business marketing. So all of this is just coming out of me. I love it. I have a lot of passions, and interior design and everything is definitely one of them. And yeah, so I love this. I love the rug, and that seat is so comfortable. And this is a little dahlia. And then I've got my sago palm, cute little flamingo, and a majesty palm. This is a ginger tree, ginger shrub. I don't know the proper name. And then a hydrangea. But look at them. What are y'all doing? Huh? Y'all want to go in the boat? Uh-oh. Buxton. If you say boat around Buxton, he will lose his mind. So I probably shouldn't have said that. I feel bad. I'm sorry, Papa. Not yet, boy. Not yet. Not yet. Fishy? What are you doing? Hattie girl? So many animals. Where's Marlin? I want to show y'all Marlin. Where is he? Oh, Marlin. Hey, boy. Hi, Papa. He loves this time of year when I just bring him all the plants. He has so many little hiding places, and he always hides and then attacks the dogs. It's like his favorite thing in the world is to attack Buxton. Right morning. All right, so this was our project last week. It was insane, and it was so much work. Like, there was 3 rose bushes in here. There was one here, here, and here. We ended up taking those out. There was also a rose that grew beautifully up a lattice right there. We took that out too. Just, I don't know. We wanted to just, once we started taking one out, it's like, you know what? Let's just start fresh on everything. Every part of this garden bed. So, flower bed. So I have a huge plan, and I'm going to surprise y'all with that. I'll probably, hopefully video it. But yeah, it was roses, some tiger lilies, some just weeds, grass, what else? These purple flowers that I think I might have told y'all about. I don't know if I told you about it yet. But yeah, so this space is clean and ready. We had so much rain yesterday, so it's really soft. And I need to get a load of topsoil before we can really start working. Look at that hibiscus, it's beautiful. I love the yellow. Yellow is my favorite. But this is what I'm tackling today. This is a huge project. So here are the purple flowers that are just, the woman had planted them and they have just taken over. I mean, they're beautiful and everything, but they grow, they just take over, and I can't stand it, so I'm gonna get rid of them. But there's a few things in here, and I can't remember the name of this, but I love it. It's got these beautiful, cute little orange yellow flowers, and then this is a hydrangea, a limelight that loves the sun. I planted that last year, and then I planted this. So as you can see, it needs to be de-weeded. I need to dig up all these purple flowers, get the root balls out, and just let all these other plants breathe. And my plan is to just take out the hydrangea, take out this evergreen shrub, this one too, this one right here, and just take them out and clean up any of the root balls of the purple flowers that, you know, are kind of close to them. I'm gonna clean all this up and then maybe put some more topsoil in if we need it. And then I'm gonna replant the hydrangeas, the shrubs, and then I have a surprise on what else I wanna put in here. I got, see the goose? Watch this, see the geese? See the geese? Hear them? Oh! They're so crazy. So yeah, this is my project and y'all can watch me work, and I'm about to get to it. I don't know where to put the phone. Y'all gotta help me. What should I do? Where should I put the phone? Are y'all at a good angle? Let me see if I can adjust this. Maybe bring it up. Shoot. How is that? I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. I'm not good at this yet, y'all. Maybe one day. Or maybe I just won't do this anymore. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. These things, they grow like crazy. I call them spaghetti, but this freaking spaghetti has taken over our entire yard, and I'm sick of them, so we're gonna get rid of them. Anyway, spaghetti. These are little babies trying to grow up right here. I mean, it's just insane. Look at that. I hate it. They have taken over. I'm gonna find the name of these and I'm gonna let y'all know, because you don't ever want to plant these in your yard. I mean, okay, I take that back. Some people love these, but I don't love them. I don't ever want them again. I don't ever want to see them in the yard again. They're destroying everything. doing, buddy? What are you doing, boo-boo? So nervous I'm gonna hurt this tree. What are you doing, Hattie? Huh? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Look at these roots. I mean, look at that. I hate it, y'all. I hate it. Deep too. That's the thing. It's not just like deep, deep, deep. Oh my gosh. Ah. Fisher, what are you doing? Hey. Yes, sir. Into a rock. I don't even know if it's safe to put this stuff on the ground. Like, Booey? What is it, boo boo? What am I digging into? I did not. Oh, okay. It's full of gravel. Gravel Pups. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. I gotta go get something to put this in. It's just crazy. Going into like rocks. Can y'all hear that? There's so many of these little spaghettis just everywhere. I mean, we even tilled this entire area last year. I mean, we had a machine tiller and tilled the whole thing. But like I said, I think it's because last year I would take a plant and plant it in the other garden that had the purple flowers to begin with, and then I would replant them once I finished this area. So I think that from planting them over there in the other garden at the beginning, the purple flowers rooted onto that root. That's what I think happened. All I can do is try to fix this problem. Look at that. Got a tote right beside me. I'm throwing all this stuff in. I'm even nervous to like put it on the ground, that the damn things will just crawl to the core of the earth before I can, like within seconds. I bet they could. And to anybody's mom or grandma that might have these in their yard, please, if they love these, don't tell them I said this. But I can't do it. What do you think, Booey? Oh, Boo-Boo. You're my baby, Boo-Boo. I love you, Booey. You're going home soon. You're going back to your mom's house. What do you think, fish? What do you think, fishy? So much spaghetti. I don't even know what to do. Really? Someone come help me. Someone come help me. Please. Also, this is another story. Maybe I'll tell y'all this in another video, but I haven't had a drink in almost a month. And I think today I'm gonna change that. I think it'll be a good day for a beer. Hey, come on. Come here, pups. Come here, puppies. Baba. I was talking about you guys, not another puppy. Not another puppy, Baba. It's just you guys I was talking about. Alright, let's get this hydrangea up. It looks really good, but I just kind of want to start fresh. Like, see if there's any. I'm going to replant it, but I just need to see if there's any damn purple flowers around it. But maybe I shouldn't pull this up, but I'm going to. I just gotta get it all up so we can come all out of here. Look, there's one right in front. See that? See this? I don't know if y'all can see that, but there is one. Gotta clean this out. I think I got it up. Thing will be fine. The base. Oh gosh. Oh no, I missed a piece. Oh. It's okay. Maybe I'll just use this piece and make another plant. I cut it off. another plant right here. Yeah. That'd be fun. Damn. Yep, I'll just plant this separate and then I'll have 2 limelights. Maybe. I feel like it'll be fine. All right, we're getting somewhere. It is so pretty right now, you guys. A boat's going by right now, and it's making me question why I'm doing this, honestly. Like, not why I'm doing it, but why am I doing this today? Because it's Saturday, it's pretty. I feel like I should go get in the boat or do something fun with the dogs. Maybe I'll do that. I should have just done this in the rain yesterday, but I feel like I should go get in the boat. It's just so pretty right now. I feel like I deal with that all the time, you know? It's like, you want to garden, you want to fish, you want to go to the grocery store, make good food, you want to cook good food, but then you want to exercise the dogs, and then you want to, ow. Okay, what am I looking at? Is it a toad? What is this? I think it is a baby toad. It scared me though. It's like a nice little hole. My God. Last year we had a huge problem with moles. So I'm really hoping those little suckers don't come back. But I'm sure they will, because that's just how it is. Is this a toad? Like, I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know. I don't know. Fishy? Fisher? I hope I didn't hurt this tree earlier too. Fishy? Oh. Fisher, come on. I might take a break. There he comes. There comes Fishy. Fisher, come here, Bubba. Come here, boy. Come here, fish. I don't know. I think we should take a break. And I can get to this in a little bit again. Come here, Fisher. Come here. Come here, Bubba. Come here, baby boy. Here's my baby boy. There he is. Oh, boy. Say hi. I'm a good boy. Love to eat everything with my mom. I eat everything I'm not supposed to. I eat sticks. I eat my mom's flowers. I eat all her flowers. time. Let's go on a boat ride. Y'all want to go on the boat? Hattie, wanna go on the boat? Bubba, let's go. Come on, Pups. Let's go. It is way too pretty not to get in the boat. Let's go, baby girl. Come on. Come on, fish. Oh, girl. You need some help. Come on, sweetie. Come on, fish. Like a cat. All right, let's check the gas. Something I'm always and famous to forget to do. I am so famous to forget to check the gas tank. Oh yeah. We are styling, aren't we, Bubby? Let's do it. Okay, so I forgot my sunglasses, 1. And 2, my motor sounded terrible. I got a new motor this year. It's not brand new, but it's just new to me. I went from a 115 Yamaha to a, what is it, 140? 150? 140? 150? 140? I can't remember. Look at all these plants. Anyway, I think it's cute. Hattie and Buxton never got off the boat. I had to go get my sunglasses and they just sitting here waiting. But we're gonna take the other boat because I don't know. I don't know what's up with it. Come on, let's get in the other boat. Come on, Hattie. She's the only one that needs some help, isn't she, girl? Oh, sweetie, come on, baby girl, let's go. Come on, Hattie. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hattie, let's go. Come on. Come on, Hattie, let's go. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Buxton. Come on, fish. Come on, Bubba. Other boat. Let's go. Come on, Boo Boo. Come on. This boat, Bubby. All right, let's try this again. All right, sweetie pie, you gotta do the jump, girl. Do the jump. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, woo! If this ain't some shit, I don't know what is. Look at this boat. Now that sounds good. Right, fish? All right, where is this tied at? We just got this boat and just fixed it up this year. But look at that. How am I supposed to get to that? Oh my gosh. Seriously. It is always, oh, osprey. It is always something, I swear. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to this. I gotta turn y'all off for a minute. All right, I was able to get it. I had to put the phone down though and reach down here and untie it. Oh shoot. And that's good. Let's do it. Maybe for real do it this time. It is so hard to do this while I'm videoing. Alright. Fishy, you're gonna have to get off, Bubba. These controls are so new to me. Our other boat was like, you could whip that thing around so fast, and this is, I don't know, just new, a little stiffer. And I'm not used to this, but you gotta push this little, you gotta push this in to be able to change gears. And I'm used to just him whipping that thing into gear. There's our home. Should have brought a speaker. It is so pretty today. Yep, I should be in my bathing suit. That's 1. I should be having a beer. 2. I should have a speaker. 3. I should have 4 tennis balls. And what else? I don't know, y'all. I just can't do it all, you know? Once we really start moving, I'm gonna get them to get into the deck. Wait, I do not, I mean, if we're going super slow like this, we're like crawling, turtle status down the creek. But once I start really moving, Buxton loves this seat, Hattie loves this seat, and they'll just lay here at my feet. So, it is so nice out. Should I turn around and go get a bathing suit? Are y'all like this? Am I the only one that's like this? I mean, it's like spur of the moment, go. So you don't have to take a long time to get there. And then you realize once you're getting there, going there, you're like, man, I should have done this or got this. Whatever. We'll just enjoy a boat ride first. If it's really pretty, I'll go back, get my bathing suit, get a beer, and we'll go to a sand island. All right, pups, come on. Let's go. Come here, Bowie. Come on, Bowie.